in this video I want to continue where I left off regarding the sell limit. Okay, so in this video we actually have a profit position running. Okay, if you look at this here, positions, right, and you have pound cat sell at 0.01, and this was the price that I wanted my sell limit to be triggered. Okay, now it has been triggered. Okay, the date has changed to the 9th of December, whereas if you can recall from the previous video, I set it on the, I think it was on the 4th or 7th, sorry, on the 7th of December. Okay, so if you look at the chart, okay, I have this one triggered here, and the one on top is still a sell limit. Okay, the reason I'm showing this is because sometimes we can place pending orders, but it won't necessarily hit, because it will depend entirely on your technical analysis or your forecast whether the price is going to hit that price or not. So for this example, the sell limit on top here has not been triggered. So what I can do is actually delete it off. Okay, in order to delete, you can swipe to the left and then just click on this, okay, and tick. So I have another pending order which is already gone far. So this is a buy limit. Let me show you a buy limit. Okay, so this is my idea. If the price go down here, and it will trigger a buy in the anticipation of the price to go further up. Okay, so that is more to the technical analysis side, but for this video I would just want to show you about familiarization of this MT4 app. Okay, other than that, let's go to this balance here. Okay, so initially I had a balance of 52.86 pounds. Okay, which means to say if I had no other positions running, that is my capital that is it stagnant, so it's not moving or it's not fluctuating at any time. So equity, on the other hand, is what I have running profit. So if you see on top here is 15.44 and it's fluctuating up and down pounds. So if you add this amount to your balance, right, it will be equivalent to the equity. So if I choose to close this position, it will be closed in profit. Okay, I can set a take profit level, but you can actually close it manually. So if I close this manually, right, the equity will be top up to the balance, means I will close at this amount, 68.23. Okay, let me touch on a bit on the rest of this free margin, margin level and margin. Okay, quickly, margin is what you have been hold when you enter this trade. Okay, so pound cat, when I entered pound cat, I was deducted a commission of 0.05. okay, it will be deducted from the balance or the equity. Okay, after which there will also be a margin that is being held, so it's 2 pounds for this case. So how do we calculate this? Okay, nowadays people want everything to be shortcut, so I can go through the ways to calculate it, but why would I waste my time? So I would just show you one of the apps that is available on the Play Store, or I'm not sure about the Apple Store, but this app here, let me just show you. Okay, this app here, Forex Calculators, you can download this on the app, Play Store, and then you can go to this, alright, margin. Okay, for this account currency is what I have right now, pound, and the pair that I'm trading is pound cat. So position size 1000 units represents a 0.01 lot size. So the leverage, which I will explain in some other videos, is 1:500. So different brokers will offer you different kind of leverage. So for this example here, we have a 1:500 leverage for this trading account. So but if I log into this, they would say yeah, this is a 1:100 leverage trading account. So let's go back to this page here. Okay, I'm going to show you if I close this position, what will happen. Okay, now if we look at the chart, we have a sell position here, and then if I swipe here, this is how to manually close a position. So I just tap on this tick button and I just close with profit here. Okay, this is how you close your profit. Okay, let's just close. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we have a balance of 68.32. so thank you for watching, everyone. I hope to see you in other videos, and if there's any updates, I will update you guys. Thank you very much.